How to use an Above Tide hotel review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. The Inn of Tide is a charming waterfront hotel, but many travelers make mistakes that affect their stay. Here's how to use reviews properly to avoid disappointment and get the most out of your visit. The first mistake is relying on a single review. Most people get this wrong by reading only the latest comment and making a decision. Instead, read multiple reviews to spot consistent patterns about cleanliness, service, and amenities. Second mistake, ignoring the context of reviews. You won't believe how many guests complain about things that may not matter to you, like conference room availability or group bookings. Focus on details that match your travel priorities like views, breakfast, or pet friendliness. Third mistake, overlooking the date of the review. The surprising truth is that hotels evolve quickly. A negative review from 2 years ago may no longer reflect current conditions. Look for recent reviews to get an accurate snapshot. Fourth mistake, missing hidden tips. Many guests mention small but valuable details, like the best rooms for sunrise views or quiet floors. Scan reviews for these insights to enhance your stay. Finally, ignoring the hotel's official website or social media updates is common. Some amenities, renovations, or seasonal promotions may not appear in reviews. Check official sources to confirm current offerings. Using an Above Tide hotel reviews properly means reading multiple recent reviews, focusing on relevant details, and combining guest feedback with official information. Avoid these beginner mistakes to enjoy a smooth, memorable stay by the water.